Hey guys, welcome back. In the last session, we have discussed how to create a stream and we have seen an example and we have written the code as well. In this session, we will be discussing about the stream interfaces. Okay, so we will be discussing the new topic is stream interfaces. Stream interfaces. Stream API defines few interfaces. They are one is stream One is the stream interface. The other one is IntStream, LongStream, and DoubleStream. DoubleStream. So these are the stream interfaces provided by the Stream API. Okay. So here you can see we will be using this stream when we are working with the object elements. For primitives, we will be using IntStream, LongStream, and DoubleStream. Okay. So because see, it is a good practice. See here, using these primitive streams is a good practice if you're dealing with primitives, because see, converting the object to primitive is a costly process. In the same way, primitive to object is also a costly process. Primitive to object is also a costly process. That's why it is always recommended to use the primitive streams when you are working with primitives like int, long, double. Okay, so I hope you understand this one. Okay, so now as these are the interfaces, so for these interfaces we will be having a methods. So the methods defined by these interfaces can be divided into the two categories. The methods. So what are these methods? These interface will be having the methods, and these methods can be divided into the two categories. Two categories. What are they? Two categories. The first category is that intermediate operations, intermediate methods. The second category is that terminal operations or terminal methods. Let's see the intermediate operations. Intermediate operations or intermediate methods. Okay, so intermediate operations. So these intermediate operations always take functional interface as a parameter. The intermediate operations always take functional interface as a parameter, and it will produce a new stream as a return type. That's what. For example, filter is a method which will be taking the functional interface as a parameter. I'll writing fi. The filter method will be taking the functional interface as a parameter. This is a one method. Map is also one of the method which will be taking the functional interface as a parameter. We have a sorting method as well. It will be taking the functional interface as a parameter and so on. Okay. Intermediate operations always take functional interface as a parameter, and it will produce a new stream, and it will return a new stream. You know, right, how the intermediate operations will be executed. So the intermediate operations will be lazily executed. Okay. The second operation, the second category is, the second category is terminal operations. Terminal operations. Terminal operations. Terminal operations always produce the result. Always produce the result. For example, count. It will return the number of entries in the collection. Okay. So if you want to print the number of entries, you will be using the count. It will be returning the number of entries. and you, let's say you have a array and you want to convert that array to a collection, so you'll be using as list method, so it will be converting it. Okay, let's say you have numbers 1 to 10, numbers 1 to 10, and you want to take the even numbers into a list, even numbers into a list. You will be writing some code, you'll be writing some code, and you'll be defining some of the condition. Based on that condition, it will be we will be getting the even numbers. Where we will be storing the even numbers? We'll be storing the even numbers using in a list. How we will be doing that? We will be using a collect method, and we will be storing into a list. So these are the some of the terminal operations. So what terminal operations will be doing? They are giving the result. They are giving the result actually. Okay. For example, count, as list, collect. These are the examples of the terminal operations. Okay. And yeah, again, based on the stream operations, uh, I can say like I can say something like this. The stream operations can be further classified as filtering, filtering, slicing, mapping, mapping, matching, matching, and finding, finding, reduction, sorry, reduction, and collect. So these are the six stream operations. These are the six stream operations we will be seeing in the coming lessons. Okay, so I hope you understood what exactly we have discussed over here. So stream interfacer. Stream API provided the multiple interfaces. Based on it, if what type of element you are using, based on it you have to use the interface. Okay, for example, if you are working with objects, you have to use stream. So if you are using primitives, you have to use primitive interfaces like IntStream, LongStream, DoubleStream. Okay, again, the stream interface can be categorized based on the methods provided by these stream interfaces. This can be categorized into two categories. One is the operations can be categorized into two categories. They are the intermediate operations. The other one is the terminal operations. Intermediate operations always produce the intermediate operations always takes the functional interface as a parameter, and it will return the stream as it will return a new stream. Okay. Okay, and the terminal operations always produce the result. An example would be a result. Example would be a count, as list, and the collect. These are the methods we have. Okay, and the stream operations can be further classified as filtering, slicing, mapping, matching and finding, reduction and collect. So um, uh, these are the things we have discussed in this session. In the next session, we will be discussing about this filtering, slicing, mapping, and matching and finding, reduction and collect. So these are the stream operations we will be seeing in the next few lessons. Until then, thank you for watching.